When it comes to convincing others, most of the people ask themselves the following question: what can I do to influence other people's choice? Don't worry, we will cover this in this course entitled Essential Selling Skills for Everyone. Actually, talking to strangers has never been easy. However, when it comes to business, this has to change. In this course, we will show you what you have to focus on while setting up a new business. Who will benefit from this course? Of course, university students, field sales representatives, business-to-business salesperson, and sales managers. What will you gain from this course? You will learn how to identify the specific needs of your customers, how to build up likability from your prospect, how to enhance your questioning, analyzing, and listening skills, and how to make a difference with a positive first impression. Whether you believe it or not, everyone in this world is a target. A target of what? The answer is very simple. We are all targets of businesses. There are thousands and thousands of businesses out there, and they all want customers. Therefore, they spend most of their money in advertisement. Additionally, they carry out researches in order to know your age, sex, hobbies, interests, and so on. As a result, they can then make something you would like to buy. So, we hope you are now ready to know more about essential selling skills from INEPU online educational platform. If you like this video, don't miss to subscribe on our YouTube channel in order to get updates about new videos directly in your inbox.
INEPU team, let the world know.